This is number 9 on 4.5, day 1. So we need to solve the equation, and so what we need to do first is set it equal to 0. So we're going to subtract 12c squared and add 36c to both sides, just to set it equal to 0. And then make sure it's written in standard form. So we have 2c to the 4th minus 6c cubed minus 12c squared plus 36c equals 0. So the first thing you should look at is there a GCF? And so yes, there is. We can divide out a 2c. So we divided a 2c. We are left with c cubed minus 3c squared minus 6c plus 18, and that equals 0. So looking at this here, what's inside the parentheses, we can actually factor that by grouping. And so looking at the front half, what can we divide out? We can divide out a c squared. The back half, we can divide out a negative 6. So now we have this 2c in front. Then we can write this c squared, and then we're left with c minus 3. And then we have this negative 6, and we divide the negative 6, we get c minus 3. Lots of parentheses here. So the 2c gets written in the front, and so we can write our binomials. So the c squared and the negative 6 go into the front one, so that's c squared minus 6. Then the c minus 3 can be written here. So then we need to solve, and so this one here, that's pretty fast. 2c equals 0, divide by 2, so c equals 0. This one is pretty fast, so c minus 3 equals 0, so c equals 3. Now it's the one in the middle that we have to do a little bit more work. C squared minus 6 equals 0, so we add 6 to both sides. In this case, we get c squared equals 6, square root. And remember, when we take the square root, we get c equals plus or minus the square root of 6. So therefore, the solutions to this polynomial is c equals 0, c equals 3, c equals root 6, and c equals negative root 6. And remember, when we go back to the beginning, looking at the fundamental theorem of algebra, if you look at the degree, so our degree is 4, so therefore we should have 4 solutions, and we do.